Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Jonathan Awde, the President, CEO, and Director, and Bob Quartermain, new inductee to the Canadian Mining Hall of Fame, the team from Dakota Gold Corp. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is DC on the NYSE American, and Dakota Gold will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Bob, Jonathan, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Great to be here. Thank you.
Great to have you both. So this is our first time doing an interview actually covering the Dakota Gold. So Jonathan, can you start us off with that quick overview and history of the company?
Sure. We did an interview last year, but it was under Dakota Territory Resource Corp. And the merger between JR Resources, which was a private company that Bob and I started a few years ago, came together with Dakota Territory Resource Corp to form Dakota Gold Corp. And we have consolidated a huge piece of the Homestake District just outside of Leeds, South Dakota, contiguous with the Homestake Mine that produced almost 40 million ounces of gold over a 125-year period. We completed the merger the end of March this year, and then completed our uplist to the NYSE American on April 5th.
And Jonathan, coming right back to you on this one, what would you say makes Dakota Gold unique and different compared to your peers out there?
Well, I think just being able to acquire land contiguous with a 40 million ounce ore body that's received little to no modern day exploration, applying arguably one of the largest data sets that we've ever come across from the old mine that we acquired exclusively from Barrick, information and data not only inside the old mine but outside of the old mine. We're a long trend, and we've got 3 rigs active in the project, well funded, and we partnered with a group of ex-Homestake geologists and mining engineers who have that local expertise and knowledge, and we think this is a pretty special story.
Very good. And so coming to you now, Bob, on this one, as I said at the top, you were just recently inducted into the Canadian Mining Hall of Fame. You're the co-chairman of this company. You just from that alone, I think people can assume you have quite an extensive history in mining and record. So can you give us a little bit of your background prior to Dakota Gold, and then Jonathan, come to you and answer that same question afterwards.
Yeah, I've been in the exploration business since 1976. I've worked all over the world, certainly all over Canada. Cut my teeth working up at the Hemlo Gold Mine and Lamaque Gold Mines as an underground geologist, and so that gives me the information that certainly informed my decisions on the Pretium project. But more importantly, I bring that skill set doing down to Dakota because we're looking at high-grade mineralization. Standard in 1985, it had a 2 million market cap. It's now SSR Mining today, and it has a 4 billion market cap. I ran it for 25 years, retired. And in 2010, I started the Pretium with the Brucejack project in northern British Columbia that we were able to put in production in less than 7 years from discovery into profitable production. Newcrest purchased Pretium recently for $3.5 billion. So Jonathan's convinced me to come out of retirement again one last time. And this is a unique opportunity, he said, both with the geological endowment that we have and more importantly with the people that we have.
And then Jonathan, what was your background prior to Dakota Gold?
Well, in 2010, I co-founded a company called Gold Standard Ventures and was the president and CEO for 10 years. And it was just recently acquired by Orla Mining. So I've had a background in capital markets and finance and the natural resources sector for the better part of 20 years.
Very good. All right. So then, Jonathan, to close us out here, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts that folks should pay attention to?
Well, we've got 3 rigs active on the project now. We will be adding a 4th rig to the project. We've got a couple of rigs drilling on the Maitland project, which is contiguous with the Homestake Mine. And then we've got a few of our other projects called City Creek and Richmond Hill, which are also being drilled. So it'll be a catalyst rich into the end of the year, predominantly with drill holes from those 3 projects. And you will see a bit of additional land cleanup. When Bob and I were first shown this opportunity in the Homestake District, what Dakota Territory Resource Corp had was about 3,000 acres. And we have subsequently grown this land package from 3,000 acres to almost 45,000 acres. So we've got a bit of cleanup to do, smaller in terms of net mineral acres, So those are the two key catalysts that we'll be looking to release to the market as they become available over the next 4 or 5 months.
Very good. And with that, Jonathan, where can our audience go and find more information on Dakota Gold?
Please be directed to our website, www.dakotagoldcorp.com, or you can always reach myself, and we'd be more than happy to answer questions, and looking forward to seeing many of you in Beaver Creek and Colorado Springs.
Very good. Well, Bob, Jonathan, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. Bob, again, congratulations. Jonathan, one day, right? You know? Okay. We'll get you in there, and look forward to seeing you at Beaver Creek.
Thanks very much. Be well. Stay safe.
Thank you, guys. And again, Dakota Gold Corp will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.
Thanks very much.